Let us now use the hole feature. In order to create a hole, you can select the hole feature from the Home tab. Here you can select the type of hole, the simple, counterbored, tapered, threaded, countersunk, hole series, and so on. So let me use counterbored for now. I will place the dimension as 6, the diameter as 8, hole depth as 6 mm, and the angle as 120 degrees. So click on the plane where you want the hole to be created. So I'm going to select the face of this extrude and click on the hole. So in case you want to change the dimension, you can do it over here. So as you can see, the angle gets changed. You can also change the other parameters based on your requirement. You can create another hole, or if you're satisfied with one, you can click OK. In case you want to change the position of this hole, you can go to the model tree, click on Edit Parameters, select the dimension that needs to be changed, and you can change the same. As you can see, I have changed the position of this hole.